Humanity and humans have and continue to have initiatives in this direction, both in the present and in the past. Extremely eager and confident today to break through this spiral that the Almighty has set in life. According to certain individuals, the occurrence of death is imminent, the process of aging is ceasing, and individuals will possess the capability to exist indefinitely. All of these forms of defiance against the decree of Allah Azza wa Jalla, which were exhibited and demonstrated yesterday with their respective examples and diligent efforts, were ultimately overcome and defeated in the end. God is neither on earth nor in the sky. So, there's also a cosmic plan, like there's an expectation in the sky, a desire for the future, like an interplanetary, and then intergalactic dream of the future, and you are unable to render us devoid of power on the planet, stated the all-powerful being with unwavering conviction, and not in the heavens, so it appears that this has an adventure in a celestial plan. Allah knows best. However, you are incapable of leaving us helpless, neither on the ground nor in the sky, he stated. Consequently, it is not possible to abandon Chanabi Haq in a helpless state and consistently exist outside the spiral of his judgment and prevent the realization of the judgment of aging upon us. The Almighty expressed it in this manner. People have made every effort within their capacity, but they have never transgressed the decree of the Almighty, despite claiming it to be unachievable. The death spiral has closed off life. Those who have common sense accept life with its reality, which is the return we call it, that is, the return to the Almighty God with life, and the death that ends with life and comes with death. This time he's adding that place to his plan. Acceptance is such a thing. We are dying, so what do we do when we die? At this point in time, we are undergoing a complete transformation in our thought process. The concept of secularists is on the verge of sinking like an endless well in the midst of life, and once it reaches its conclusion, life is reduced to being piled up and left there, devoid of purpose. Because he did not want to admit that the situation was hopeless, he focuses all his expectations, even his infinite expectations, on a limited process knowingly. And it is clear from the start that this will only bring him disappointment, because no limited and restricted size can meet infinite expectations. Well, my friend, we're going to overcome it all, we'll conquer death and illness, and whether it's there or not, we'll make something out of this life and then challenge the owner of life, the Creator. This is merely a diabolical attempt and a diabolical dream. It is completely without value and lacks any semblance of reality. Because Allah Azza and Jalla, the Creator and Sustainer of all things, clearly communicates to us the truth that He is the one who has created and continues to sustain everything, from the tiniest to the largest, in existence. We did not leave you with such an opportunity. You have to die, you have to come back to us.